Coffee is one of the most consumed drinks in the world, and for many people, it is not just a drink. It is part of their daily routine. People wake up and drink coffee at home. They drink it at work. They drink it in cafes. And sometimes they carry it with them as they go about their day. Because of this, the demand for coffee is steady and reliable. In the United States alone, the coffee market generates billions of dollars every year, and it continues to grow as more people become interested in quality, flavor, and where their coffee comes from. Now, behind every cup of coffee is a process, and one of the most important parts of that process is roasting. That is where the flavor is developed. That is where the transformation happens. And that is where a real business opportunity exists. In this video, you will learn how to start a coffee roasting business step by step. You will understand what the business is, how it works, what you need to get started, and how to build it in a structured and practical way. At entrepreneurs.ng, we make business easy for entrepreneurs, aspiring entrepreneurs, and the brands that serve them. Do you want to start right? We help you register your business with CAC quickly. Reach out at contact@redalia.com. Do you want guidance as you build your business? Join the Entrepreneur's Success Blueprint program, our 30-day hands-on business school. Enroll now. Do not build in silence. Tell your business story on entrepreneurs.ng today and be seen by the world. And if you want your brand to be discovered through trusted, search-driven content and strategic visibility, we can help through our different visibility packages. Learn the ways we can work with you at www.entrepreneurs.ng or reach us at business@entrepreneurs.ng. Before we go into the steps, it is important to understand what a coffee roasting business actually is. A coffee roasting business is a business that buys raw green coffee beans, processes them using heat, and turns them into roasted coffee that people can drink. These green beans, in their natural state, do not have the flavor most people associate with coffee. They need to be roasted to bring out their aroma and taste. So, when you think about this business, think about transformation. You are taking something raw and turning it into something valuable. After roasting, the beans are packaged and sold to customers. These customers can be individuals, cafes, offices, restaurants, or even retailers. Your role is not just to roast beans. Your role is to create a product that people enjoy, trust, and come back to buy again. There are clear reasons why many entrepreneurs are entering the coffee roasting space. The first reason is demand. Coffee is consumed daily, which means people keep coming back to buy it. The second reason is the rise of specialty coffee. People are no longer just drinking coffee without thinking. They are paying attention to flavor, origin, and quality. This creates room for new brands that can offer something unique. Another reason is that the entry barrier is lower than opening a full cafe. You can start small and grow over time. And most importantly, roasting adds value. That means when done properly, there is room to make profit. But it is important to understand that passion alone is not enough. You need structure, planning, and consistency to build something that lasts. Now that you understand what the business is and why it is worth considering, the next step is to break it down into clear actions. Starting a coffee roasting business is not about guessing. It is about following a process. Each step builds on the one before it, and when you understand the sequence, everything becomes easier to manage. Step 1. understand your market clearly. The first step is to understand your market. This means knowing who you want to sell to and what they actually want. You need to ask yourself simple but important questions. Are you selling to individuals who drink coffee at home, or are you selling to businesses like cafes and offices? Are your customers looking for premium coffee, or are they looking for something more affordable for everyday use? At the same time, you need to study other coffee brands. Look at how they present their products, how they price them, and what customers say about them. This helps you see what works and where there may be gaps. The goal is not to copy anyone. The goal is to understand the market well enough to find your own position within it. Step 2. Choose a clear business model. Once you understand your market, the next step is to decide how your business will make money. This is your business model. You can choose to sell directly to customers through a website or social media. You can supply coffee to cafes, restaurants, and offices. You can create a subscription service where customers receive coffee regularly. You can also roast coffee for other brands that sell under their own name. Each of these models works, but they require different approaches. What matters is choosing one that aligns with your market and your capacity. Trying to do everything at once often leads to confusion. It is better to start with one clear direction and build from there. Step 3. Create a proper business plan. After choosing your direction, you need to put everything into a plan. A business plan helps you organize your thoughts and understand how your business will operate. It explains who your customers are, how you will reach them, what your costs will be, and how you expect to make money. It also helps you think about your operations, your pricing, and your growth. Many people skip this step and rush into buying equipment, but that often leads to mistakes. When your plan is clear, your decisions become easier and more intentional. If you want to build with clarity from the beginning, Entrepreneurs.ng has a comprehensive business plan template that guides you through each part of the process. Get it at entrepreneurs.ng shop https://entrepreneurs.ng/shop. It helps you organize your ideas properly so you can move forward with confidence instead of guessing your way through important decisions. Step 4. Learn coffee roasting properly. Before you invest heavily, you need to understand roasting. This is the core of the business. Roasting is not just about putting beans into a machine. It is about controlling heat, time, and airflow to achieve the desired flavor. There are different roast levels, including light, medium, and dark roast. Each level affects how the coffee tastes. Roasting also happens in stages. The beans dry, they change color, they reach what is called the first crack, and then flavor develops further. Small changes in the process can lead to very different results, which is why learning and practice are very important at this stage. Step 5. Register your business and get required permits. Before you start selling your coffee, your business must be properly registered. This gives you legal recognition and allows you to operate without issues. You will need to choose a business name, select a legal structure, and complete the registration process based on your location. Because coffee roasting is connected to food processing, you will also need to follow food safety regulations. This may include getting a business license, a food handling permit, and tax registration. The exact requirements depend on where you are, so it is important to check with your local authorities. Taking this step seriously protects your business in the long run. Step 6. Source high-quality green coffee beans. The quality of your coffee depends on the quality of your beans. That is why sourcing is a critical part of the business. Coffee beans come from different regions, and each region produces different flavor profiles. Some beans are fruity, some are balanced, and some have nutty or chocolate notes. Instead of buying large quantities immediately, start by ordering small samples. Roast them, taste them, and compare them. This helps you understand what works best for your brand and your customers. Over time, you can build relationships with suppliers who provide consistent quality. Step 7. Buy the right equipment. Once you are clear on your direction and your product, the next step is to buy your equipment. The coffee roaster is the most important machine, but it is not the only one. You will also need tools for cooling, weighing, grinding, packaging, and storage. It is important to start with equipment that matches your current needs. Buying very large equipment at the beginning can increase your costs unnecessarily. As your business grows, you can upgrade your equipment gradually. Step 8. Set up your operations. Operations is about how your business runs on a daily basis. You need to create a system that covers every part of the process, from receiving beans to roasting, cooling, packaging, and delivery. When your workflow is clear, your business becomes easier to manage. It is also important to document your process. Write down how you roast, how long each step takes, and how you maintain quality. This helps you stay consistent, and consistency is what builds trust with customers. Step 9. Build your brand and packaging. Even if your coffee tastes good, people first see your packaging. That first impression matters. Your packaging should protect the coffee and also communicate clearly what the product is about. This includes details like the origin of the beans, the roast level, and the flavor notes. Your brand goes beyond packaging. It includes your story, your values, and how people feel when they interact with your product. A clear and honest brand helps you stand out and build trust over time. Step 10. Set pricing and understand profit. Pricing is one of the most important parts of your business. You need to understand your costs before setting your price. This includes the cost of beans, packaging, labor, utilities, and delivery. Once you understand your costs, you add your profit margin. Many coffee roasting businesses aim for margins between 40 and 60%, but this depends on how well you manage your costs and position your product. When your numbers are clear, your pricing becomes more confident and sustainable. Step 11. Market and sell your coffee. After roasting and packaging your coffee, the next step is to sell it. Start by creating a simple website where people can learn about your product and place orders. Use social media to show your process and connect with your audience. You can also sell offline through cafes, markets, and events. Allowing people to taste your coffee helps build trust quickly. Another option is to create a subscription service where customers receive coffee regularly. This helps you build steady and predictable income. Step 12. Scale your business carefully. Once your business is running smoothly, you can start thinking about growth. Scaling means increasing your production, expanding your product range, or reaching new customers. But growth should be controlled. If you grow too quickly without maintaining quality, you risk losing customer trust. It is better to grow steadily while keeping your standards high. Starting a coffee roasting business is not about rushing. It is about following a clear process. You begin by understanding your market, choosing your model, creating a plan, learning the craft, setting up your operations, and building your brand. Each step matters, and when they come together, they create a strong foundation for your business. If you approach it with patience and structure, this is a business that can grow over time. At entrepreneurs.ng, we make business easy for entrepreneurs, aspiring entrepreneurs, and the brands that serve them. Do you want to start right? We help you register your business with CAC quickly. Reach out at contact@redalia.com. Do you want guidance as you build your business? Join the Entrepreneur's Success Blueprint program, our 30-day hands-on business school. Enroll now. Do not build in silence. Tell your business story on entrepreneurs.ng today and be seen by the world. And if you want your brand to be discovered through trusted, search-driven content and strategic visibility, we can help through our different visibility packages. Learn the ways we can work with you at www.entrepreneurs.ng or reach us at business@entrepreneurs.ng. Subscribe to this channel, follow entrepreneurs.ng, and visit entrepreneurs.ng to access more resources that will help you build your business properly. We are rooting for you. Read the full guide on entrepreneurs.ng, https://entrepreneurs.ng/how to start a coffee roasting business/